Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special, offered online. I'll put a link below, and of course over the counter as well at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You are looking at Unobtainium. Yes, we have called these over the years Unobtainium Perth Mint 100 ounce silver bars. Perth Mint 100 ounce cast silver bars right here. We've called them Unobtainium over the years because over the years they have had production halts, and sometimes there's been months and months have gone by where you have not been able to get these from the Perth Mint. Well, I guess we can now call them the ultimate Unobtainium because the Perth Mint no longer produce these. As of not that long ago, they have put an indefinite halt on the 100 ounce bars. We do have them in stock at the Brisbane and Melbourne stores and online, so you might want to get your hands on one, and we are going to give you a great discount this week. Let's quickly show you the bar. Of course, the Perth Mint logo. Now this is with the right facing swan. Can you see that? I think it was about 2008, 2010, roughly, I think it was. Someone can tell me a bit better, post a comment below. When they changed the design from a left-facing swan to a right-facing swan, I actually now think it might be 2006, but someone can let me know below. Of course, a serial number on each bar and 100 ounces, 999 fine silver. So let's just talk about the discount. Now this is for the next 24 hours only. Let's pop over. So 24 hours from the time that the video is uploaded to YouTube. So if you head over to ainslieBullion.com.au and go to the buy gold and silver section from the homepage, you'll get to this section here. You can click on silver bullion, or you can type in here 100 ounces and you'll get various ones, and you'll find the Perth Mint bar right here. Now, as you can see, classic bar no longer made. Now these are the prices, which are obviously floating prices. The price goes up and down, the spot price goes up and down. You know that, of course. So you're not looking at the final price right now. But here's the various tiers of prices right now. So if you just wanted to buy one, you're looking at the top tier right there, 2,996. This is again before discounts, which I'm about to mention. The second tier, if you buy 20 or more, $2,961, and 50 or more. That's a lot of silver, $2,951. So there's a $45 difference between the singular price and the 50 price. But today, for 24 hours only, you can buy them for the 50 plus price. So that's a $45 discount per bar from the singular price, if that makes sense. And it doesn't matter how many you're buying. If you're buying one, if you're buying one or two, you're getting the 50 plus discount right there. Again, that's not the price you're paying right there. The price goes up and down according to spot and the market going up and down, but you're getting the 50 plus discount. So that is the deal for the next 24 hours only for Perth Mint 100 ounce cast silver Unobtainium bars. Again, no longer being produced at the Perth Mint. We do have them in stock though. So I'll put a link below to the product page, and of course you can walk into the Brisbane and Melbourne stores. 24 hours only. You should share this around to people who are looking for excellent bulk silver, and it's already a great discount, but inherently, but you also get the extra discount which I've just mentioned. All right, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, get the special. Take care, and as we always say here, thanks for choosing Ainslie.